idea?
I think I need more parameters than that.
Okay.
Yeah, like an idea about what? Like
Whatever you want. A dime a dozen idea. Pull it out of your ass ideas.
Spiral butterfly.
Spiral butterfly.
That's the idea in my head right now.
$1 million idea. Ideas that make your skin crawl.
See, an idea. It's pretty tough. It's pretty tough.
A turtle shell, when the turtle head comes out, it's not a turtle, but it's actually flowers coming out, then in.
Half price for sure if you recite it out loud. And we'll have a little bell. Repeat, please, louder.
Purple elephant spaceship with rockets for feet.
There's an idea.
Well, I have an idea, but can't share it right yet.
Why? You have proprietary issues? You're worried I'm going to steal it?
No? I need to.
He's worried.
His ego.
I need to learn how to defend it before I. It's just random.
I see.
It's brand new.
I have an idea that TVs one day will be vertical. That kind of idea. And instead of like that, or so it'll be like this way.
Okay.
So that's the future, because that's just a different way of looking at TVs. For now, we have horizontal TVs. Yeah, that's dumb.
A very, very bad idea, because those can be good too. Ideas about co-jam algorithms. Maybe not algorithms. It's a turtle shell.
Yeah. And then you put flowers in, and then you cut the back open, and then you put your hands in, and then pop it into the face.
It would probably be an idea that gets me a lot of money, but I can't think of it yet.
Half-baked ideas. Spray plus burrito supreme idea. We're into the thing.
There's snakes and fireworks.
So they're called
Snyderworks.
Snyderworks. Okay, and what do they do?
Well, you just set them on, and then they shoot into the sky. But first, you have to set what shape you want.
Oh, this is so on the spot. Okay, I feel like we should maybe replace all the chairs in the world with two opposing magnets, kind of. So each pair of pants would come with a magnet, and then the ground where the chair would be another magnet, so you can float, and it just makes sitting that much more fun. And except nothing can run under it, or else it'll disrupt it and you'll fall. So you need to put a cage around it. I guess that'd be a lot worse than a chair, so maybe we should just keep those.
Are all ideas potentially dangerous? Depends. I don't know.
And then it shoots out into the sky and expands into then I wanted Neil Armstrong. So I set it to Neil Armstrong, and then I lit it, and then it shot up, and it was a Neil Armstrong. But it came back down as a snake.
But yeah, anyway, that's my idea. I think it would be great if they had that. But I'm not gonna do it, so I hope someone else does.
Why aren't you going to do it?
Well, that's not really. I don't really think that's my lot in life.
Do you have any other ideas too? That's good.
Right now. But maybe later.